Like to bake? Love to eat? For the first time ever, Stony Point is offering an after-school baking club. For a membership supply fee of $5, anyone can join and start baking.
Well, actually, I was kind of coerced into doing it by some of my students because they really love to cook, and they said, "Would you please?" And I said, "Well, no, I don't think so." And then they kept begging, and then finally I thought, and they begged Miss Cooley, and we both love to cook. So I thought, oh, what the heck? I love to cook, so I said yes. Oh, you know what I do need? Somebody's probably going to need to go out to my car and get the flour.
The club's officers are around at every session to help other members, making sure anyone new to cooking is able to keep up.
I have had a lot of experience with helping other people, like if they don't know what to do, help them figure out what to do, go step by step, because, you know, I'm one of the officers. I'm not really baking. If they need help, I'm here to help them.
So at the beginning, there was a lot of people, right? So that means that the officers usually had to step away and let the others use the kitchen, since we don't have many. But this time, not a lot of people showed up, so I was able to make some banana bread.
Besides the banana bread, members have also made cookies, brownies, and decorated cupcakes.
So far, we've done chocolate chip cookies. What did we do first, girls?
Brownies.
Oh, brownies. That's right. Everything's scratch. Everything's from scratch. We don't use mixes for anything.
The baking club was originally formed for anyone who wanted to cook at school, but didn't have the opportunity in their academy.
I've never made this before. It's fun.
I'm in IB, so like a lot of my classes are taken up, and I really wanted to bake at school, so I wanted to get into the Lifetime Nutrition and Wellness class, but I didn't have any spaces. So I was like, you know what? Since I don't have any space for it, I'll just make a club. And so me and a friend were like, okay, that's cool. So we just did it.